Hello guys, hope you are doing well. So we are again back with the next problem. So here you can see we are going to solve this problem number 349 on Leetcode, which is intersection of two arrays. So you can read the description about this question. I'll be telling you this in very short. You got two arrays right here, which is named as nums1 and nums2. You have to give the intersection of these both arrays, right? And it is mentioned that it can be in any order, so you don't have to follow the specific order for this. Okay, so when I talk about finding the intersection, it is very easy, right? If any element which is common in both of the arrays, if it's common in both the arrays, you will be putting in the resultant array, right? But what I can think of is there can be so many approaches to find the intersection of two arrays, right? There can be a brute force approach in which you are traversing this nums1 array and then this nums2 array and checking each element and comparing each element if this element got equal to this, and if it is equal to this, like if it's common, right, you will be putting it in the resultant array. But what we are going to do, we are going to solve this using hash set. Okay, so let me tell you, and let me take you to my this whiteboard right here, right? Okay, so you can see we are having a nums1 and nums2 array. What I am going to do, I'll be putting all the elements which are in our nums1 array in a set. Okay, I hope you are already like familiar with the properties of set. So set only contains the unique elements, the distinct element, right? So when I'll be putting and traversing in this array, this nums1, it will only put the unique elements in our set. Okay, so let's name our set as set, because this is the first set I'm going to use. So yes, this is set. Set will be having only two elements because it's storing unique elements, and when our traversal of nums1 is done, we'll be getting only two elements in the set, right? Now what will we do for our resultant array, right? Now I have to see if this nums2 also have this element, right, or any of the elements to make the intersection, right? What I'll be doing, I'll be making a resultant array right here. So let's make a resultant array. Okay, so here's the resultant array. I'll be naming it as answer array, maybe. Okay, my writing is not so good, I'm really sorry for it. So here I have answer array. How will I put the elements in the answer set? It's not an array, it's a set. I'm really sorry about it. It's a set. Okay, so in the answer set, what I am going to do, firstly I am going to traverse in this nums2. Okay, so when I am here in here, I'll be first checking if like this element is already in our set. If our set contains this element, yes, our set contains this element. So if it is already in the set, I'll be putting in our resultant set. So I have put, it's a set. Now I'll be moving to the next pointer. I'll be checking if this element is already in our set. Yes, it said yes, it is in our set. I have to put in the answer set, right? But as it's a hash set, it's also having the same property that it'll like contain only unique elements, right? So it will only contain two for one time only. Okay, so now you just have to convert this resultant set into the array. Okay, into the array. Now let's move forward. So I'll be giving the resultant array as this 2, and this was our output. I hope you remember. Now I'll be showing you the code. So here's the Java code. You can see I have created a hash set to store unique elements from nums1. Right, we have initialized our set, now traversing and then adding all the elements in the set. Now we are creating another hash set, which is a result set or answer set. Okay, now we are iterating through nums2, and then if when we are traversing in the nums2 array, okay, we'll checking each element. See, this element, if it is already present in our set, if it is already present, I'll be adding it in the resultant set, right? Moving to the next pointer right here, I know that I'll be again checking if this element is present in the set. Like we have made a set element, right? If it's already present in the set, I'll be adding it in the resultant set, but it will contain, I know that hash set only contains a unique value. Now after having the result set, what I'll be doing, I'll be having a result array, because we have to give it the answer in the array form, right? So you have a result array which initializes with the size of set, resultant set size, okay? And then we are having an index. You are again putting whatever the element in the resultant set in our resultant array, and you will be lastly giving the result array which was required. I hope this is very understandable, and it's actually a easy problem. Okay, so here you can see how we use this hash set. Like we are using this two hash sets, okay, and traversing the each array for one time only, so the time complexity is not too big, and we are using like two extra spaces right here, which is these two sets, but it's not so, like it's not taking much of a space, because we are not storing every element in the set. See, okay, so I hope this is very understandable, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and you can suggest or give any opinion in the comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, and please comment down below your opinion and what should I improve more. Okay, and thank you so much.